Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on the ear device, on the nose here, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a light earthquake of preliminary magnitude 4.5 was felt in Jamaica on Tuesday morning. The earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies, Mona, says the epicenter was located approximately 20 kilometers north of Port Antonio, Portland. It was reported as felt at 3:20 a.m. in Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston, and St. Andrew. My Jamaican people, we have to start prayer. We have to start prayer. Don't forget that they say a magnitude of 7 could hit Jamaica. Don't forget. You understand? And them say it would be the same like the earthquake where it hit Port Royal. Because I was listening to the news. Yeah, I never get to screen record it. Yeah? But eventually I will show it to you. So, my wisdom warriors, stay put. And I beg you for just, keep an eye out, basically. You have some people text me and tell me, say, their neighbor wake up to it. Some people say they sleep right through it. When earthquake are going really and truly, nobody know if you sleep right through it. Understand? So, I'm going to try and sleep light there for me. That's all I want to do. And pray and fast. Pray and fast. So this magnitude 7 not touch for land because we can't manage it. We really can't manage it. On June 7, 1692, a magnitude of 7.7. The reason why I go back my wisdom warriors and I try enlighten on upon this, remind about what take place in Port Royal is because they said it's going to be something like Port Royal. You understand? Even though this one says 7.7, I heard it on the news and them say it's going to be something like Port Royal. Okay, so I'm just bring on back in time. So on June 7, 1692, a magnitude of 7.7 earthquake struck Port Royal, Jamaica at 11:15 a.m., lasting less than 15 minutes. The earthquake destroyed nearly 3,000 buildings and other structures and caused the following effects: land sinking, 2/3 of the town sank into the Caribbean Sea. Mighty God, I didn't even know this, I can't believe this, my wisdom warriors. 2/3 of the town sank into the Caribbean Sea, causing a tidal wave. Ships capsized and a tsunami lifted one ship over rooftop. Blows and skirt. That means a tsunami could have, mighty God, may God cover us. Casualties: an estimated 2,500 people died from the earthquake and the tsunami, and another 3,000 died in the following days from injuries. Aftershocks caused more destruction and death. Diseases like cholera killed thousands more. The earthquake destroyed a key city in colonial Jamaica, which was known as the storehouse and treasury of the West Indies and a common home port for pirates. The town never recovered, and today Port Royal is a small fishing village. However, the ruined remains of the city survive under the sea. The earthquake also led to the establishment of Kingston, which is now the largest city in Jamaica. Box cover. My wisdom warriors, is it sometimes good for go, for go know with history? Seriously. Because I never know this, I never know this are my wisdom warriors. The town never recovered, and today Port Royal is a small fishing village. However, the ruined remains of the city survive under the sea. So that means everything there under the bottom of the sea. Jesus mercy. We can't, you know what? There's a reason why I read out this stone of my wisdom warriors, because a lot of people don't know. We all hear about Port Royal, including myself, but certain things me never know. But me here say, yes, Port Royal, mash up, earthquake, blah, blah, blah. So a lot of people, when I post the things, them, labor right and market, and me no know where labor right and market, because they must think when earthquake come, only PNP people alone are going to be affected. That's how them make it look. Me not really understand where them depend come like them lose a screw or something wrong with the labor right them, seriously, because the ones that will come underneath my comment section commenting crap like seriously, my wisdom words, they take things for joke. You understand? They take things for joke, and this is not a joke thing. So when it come on to health, me not joke with that. When it come on to health, me not joke with that. That's why me always depend Christopher Tufton back. Me always depend him back, because when it come to health, me not joke. No matter how much money you have, when you're sick, your money can't buy nothing. Me tell you that if you don't never know. Money mean nothing to you when you're not sick. You hear? So I have some people that laugh and think it's funny. Una laugh. Uno could never live a Jamaica, you know. Uno labor right. We are laugh and a mock. Uno could never live a Jamaica. What you think? Eh? A PNP alone are going to be affected by earthquake. Uno sound stupid sometime. But my wisdom warriors, it is a good thing. Me come and explain these things to you, so a lot of people know what to expect. All me have to say to you, to my brothers and sisters, just pray. Pray and ask God for have mercy, and ask God for just not make this happen, seriously, because we cannot manage. We cannot manage, because if a magnitude of 7, we have to think about tsunami. Tsunami definitely will come with it. January. It is sad. But tell me what you think about this, and tell me how you feel about it. Here it is. Dayton Campbell run right out, my wisdom warriors. Dayton Campbell not easy, you know. How them a try fall? I know we. People's National Party PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell says the government's response and handling of the Jamaica Public Service JPS effort to restore power to communities post Hurricane Beryl have been weak. I agree with him. I agree. And not only that, Dayton Campbell say the government criticism of JPS over slow restoration is nothing but a sham. Hey, me want to listen to Dayton Campbell, you know, because anything him say goes, you know, my wisdom warriors, and anything him say, I saw it go. And I like this man I tell. Because remember me I explain to you, me I say, so how when PNP did a leak out against JPS, yeah? Andrew Holness and Daryl Vaz was the one standing up and defending alongside with the whole of the supporters them. Alongside with the whole of them. I defend JPS. You know that, my wisdom warriors. Them a defend JPS. And after a sudden now, what them a do now, them a pretend like them a put pressure, but really they don't put no pressure. It's just a sham. It's just a sham, my wisdom warriors. And that Dayton Campbell we are know right now. It is a sham. Because me couldn't understand. When PNP are leak out, they get angry. And this and that and say, oh, they're working extremely hard. And this and that, and some of them lose their homes. And this and that. And they're doing their best. And you have Venetia, Juliet, Cockburn, Fling. The whole of them are support it. After a sudden, no, then start a pressure the JPS. It is a trick for mislead the Jamaican people. And guess what? The frigga, hey, may I tell you, so they fall for it, you know. Then fall for it. Oh, when you hear Andrew Holness say he can turn it up and turn it down, and that it mean. Dayton Campbell say right now say this is a sham. This is a sham. And me know that. Me know that. Because tricksters them, you know. Tricksters. So them a pretend to the crowd. And I say when they know, you know, my wisdom warriors, nothing now come out of this, you know. I hear them talk about million and charge. Nothing now come out of this. See the 12th of August pass? You see them paying our money? Listen, pure sham. Them a do it and make people of Jamaica suffer. Them a do it. Them the labor right. Them a do it, my wisdom warriors. There is a wicked set of blouse and skirt. The whole of them you see there. Wicked set of people. Wicked set of people. I pretend, I trick Jamaican people. Hey, labor right. And uno labor right, uno know how they intend. And I like say, uno no know how no Prime Minister, Minister they intend. Uno know. So stop going like uno no know. Mighty God of Daniel. Nothing now come out it. I laugh them a laugh at the Jamaican people, my wisdom warriors. Laugh them a laugh at we. The people they not know like and them a pretend, with JPS. I go and like say them a rush JPS. They not rush nothing. It's a face off, it's a sham. Then too damn wicked. My wisdom warriors, tell me one thing and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link are there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.